Hey guys, hope you're doing well. The province of New Brunswick has announced a new pilot program to facilitate permanent residency for international students that will be graduating from 4 colleges in New Brunswick in any one of 19 targeted programs of study. The immigration pilot is set to launch on April 1st, 2022. So if you're currently studying in Canada or if you're planning to study in Canada, this will be a perfect program for you and you can start planning and picking your courses according to the 19 targeted study programs in New Brunswick. Forests and farmland are aplenty in the picturesque Atlantic province of New Brunswick. Manufacturing, mining, and forestry are the main industries, and the province is considered a North American leader in forest management. New Brunswick's Bay of Fundy has the highest tides on Earth and is one of the most accessible viewing areas for marine life in the world. The occupations most in demand in the province are from the IT, tech, accounting, finance, management, and retail industries. Another good thing about New Brunswick is that it even sends out invites for occupations belonging to the NOC skill level C category, which are semi-skilled positions, so immigrants with experience in intermediate jobs that don't require any high technical skills or knowledge and usually call for just a high school education and some job-specific training can get the chance to immigrate to Canada as well. This pilot project is intended for recent graduates of designated learning institutions or DLIs who are not currently eligible for the Federal Post-Graduation Work Permit Program or a PGWP. So you don't have to go through the trouble of searching for a study course from a college that offers you a PGWP. Until now, you only had the option of selecting a DLI that was eligible for a PGWP so that you could get a work permit after you complete your study course and apply for your PR after completing about a year of working under the PGWP. But through this pilot program, you have the option of directly applying for your Canada PR right after you complete your study course from any one of the 19 targeted study programs from the 4 designated colleges in New Brunswick. So you don't have to worry about choosing a college or educational institution that offers a PGWP after completing your study course. In this video, I'm going to tell you more about the New Brunswick International Graduate Pilot Program, the 4 colleges that are designated for this pilot, the 19 study programs that you can choose from, and how you can apply to these colleges with a student visa permit either through the SDS program or the regular student visa program. So do watch the video till the end. Hey guys, this is Jason from Dream Canada. If you're new to the channel, I show people how to save their money and immigrate to new countries through my videos without the help of any immigration consultants or agents or lawyers. You can find all process instructions for you to apply on your own through the channel. Subscribe now because all the information provided here is completely free and I answer all your queries in the comment section and on my social handles on Instagram and Twitter. So don't forget to follow us there as well. Let's start with what the New Brunswick pilot program actually is. This new pilot program is a collaboration between Opportunities NB or ONB, which is New Brunswick's leading business development corporation, and Canada's immigration authorities at IRCC. International students studying in 4 designated learning institutions or DLIs under any one of the 19 targeted study programs can apply for their Canada PR through a provincial nominee program or a PNP as soon as they complete their study course in New Brunswick. The designated learning institutions or DLIs chosen for this pilot program are the Atlantic Business College, Eastern College, Mackenzie College, and Olton College. This pilot program will commence on April 1st, 2022. The end date for it hasn't been specified by IRCC yet. Basically, candidates will have to finish study courses from these 4 colleges that are relevant to a few NOCs that are in huge demand in New Brunswick. The province is offering such candidates their permanent residency as an incentive to stay in the province after finishing their study course. Next, we come to who this New Brunswick pilot program is for. This new pilot program is for international students who have graduated from one of the 19 eligible programs of study in the province of New Brunswick. You'll have to complete your study programs from the 4 designated colleges I mentioned earlier. So in effect, if you're currently studying in, or if you plan to study in any one of the 19 targeted study programs in New Brunswick, you can be eligible and you'll get your Canada PR as soon as you complete your study course. This stream will be accessible to new graduates from the designated institutions who are not currently eligible for the Federal Post-Graduation Work Permit program. So that's good news. If your study program isn't offering you a PGWP, you can still directly apply for your PR after completing your study course. Now keep in mind that these 4 DLIs are private career colleges or PCCs, which are basically independent organizations that offer certificate and diploma programs in fields like business, health services, human services, applied arts, information technology, electronics, and trades. The 19 eligible programs of study are in the following areas. So as you can see, social service workers, healthcare workers, medical lab technicians, computer programmers, web designers, accountants, logistics, etc. are among the targeted NOCs that you'll have to complete your study programs for. You'll then be able to apply for your Canada PR directly through the New Brunswick Provincial Nominee Program. Now, how can you actually apply for these 19 study programs in New Brunswick? You can apply for this through 2 student visa programs. The first one is the Student Direct Stream or the SDS, which is a quicker option for those who are applying from 14 preferred countries like Brazil, China, India, Philippines, etc. I made a detailed process video for the SDS program, which I'll be linking down in the description box. The second option, if you're not among those 14 countries, is the regular student visa program, which you can apply for from anywhere in the world. I made a process video for the regular student visa program as well, which I'll be adding in the description box. So you'll have to basically apply for a student visa through any one of these programs, complete your study course in New Brunswick, and then apply for your PR through a PNP from New Brunswick. More specific requirements and criteria for this program will be made available this fall at www.welcomenb.ca. So we'll make a more detailed video about it for you when that happens. Alright guys, so that was all about the new pilot program from the Atlantic province of New Brunswick. For more immigration and travel tips, subscribe to this channel now. Do like this video if you like the content and comment what topic you would like to hear about next. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe for regular updates on immigration and don't forget to follow us on Instagram as well. I wish you the best of luck for your application and hope you have a great day.